The use of tape on boxes, completely acceptable. The use of tapes inside the boxes, on bubble wrap and plastic protection and everything, we don't need that extra layer. Don't need that extra layer, just saying. What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh the Pez guy here on the Pezbook channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. Alright, get this out of the way. Tape. Yeah. That's some tape. Alright. Let's go ahead and cut that piece. Alright. More harm than good, just saying. And how did I know there would be tape on the Pez? There's always tape on the Pez! Alright. We have one Donald Duck, quack, quack, quack. And we have two Donald Ducks, quack, quack, quack. Why did I quack 3 times there? Alright. So here we have 2 different stem variations. As you can see, the one on the left just has a patent number, 3.4, and the one on the right is a Deutsche Bunz patent. So, because neither one of them say the made-in country, these were both made for the European market. In my opinion, stuff from the European market is a lot harder to find. Now, if we look up here at the top left, we see this funny-looking 5. If you look really close to that 5, it's almost like there's a V underneath of it. Yeah, that's injection mold company number 5, also known as Yugoslavia. Now this one right here, I don't see one. And then, when I go on this side, I don't see one. So, we have to go with some things that we have learned in the past. When we look at, see the tab, here, I'm going to grab my poker. Where'd my poker go? We have this poker, though. Right in here, that little tab. So if it was beefier and a lot more round, that would be in Austria. But this one right here, this is a Hong Kong. Another thing that tells us it's Hong Kong, these are partial neck cheeks. You can see this line right in through here. Whereas this one over here, it's a little bit beefier with the plastic per se. But yeah, that is really cool. And yeah, that is a variation of Donald Duck. I did not know existed. That the one with the DBP, but no IMC whatsoever. That is really cool. What a great deal! Yes! And another one to add to the Donald Duck Master Collection. We will soon have them all. So until next time...